Hi, good evening. So please give me a good evening in the chat box if you can hear me. Wow, thanks Professor Tanuja for joining. Thanks Nilakshi, Shirley, Anamika, Tina, Mr. Jha. Wow, Renika, Jyoti, Vishnu Priya, Dr. Ritika, Sandhya, Swati, Mugda. Thank you very much for logging in before time and being here with me. So you can all switch on your videos. Let me take a picture of the early joiners. Please switch on your videos so that I get to take a picture of all the early joiners. We are 38 people right now online before time. Wow, phenomenal. So let's take a picture. Yes. So can we all switch on our cameras? And let me see your beautiful faces. Yeah, hi Jayanti. So I still don't have a lot of us with cameras on. If we can have our cameras on for a minute, I want to take a picture before we start. I think that's a good use of our time when we have joined early. So Rikshet, Dr. Dharmendra, Anju, Mugda, your cameras are not on. Yes, please. Yups. So please keep your cameras on and here we go. Hello, welcome. I will share this pic with all of you. Yeah, so I see a lot of cameras still not on. Pooja, Khushi, Ranjita, Monica, Harman, Anju, Roopjot, Nikita, Mr. Nanda. Please switch on your cameras. Yeah, I still don't see a lot of cameras on. So I'll share with you. No cameras on. I hope I'm audible. Please give me a yes in the chat box if you can hear me. And give me a yes to the tune in which you want my energy to be there in our session today. Yeah, so Anamika has given me an energetic yes. Thanks, Anamika. Okay. That's very nice. And Sandhya is smiling. Sandhya, what are you expecting? You can give me that, whatever your smile is for, in the chat box. Perfect. So I hope all of you have filled the form which we have shared with you. Wow, we have 64 people, and I'm very, very grateful to all of you who have taken the time out today. And I promise, when you leave, you will be very grateful to your own self for having taken out this time. Right? Perfect. And I am now going to share my screen with you. And let's start. Okay. that's it. Yeah. Wow. So please let me know in the chat box, how did you like this topic? What is your thought about this topic? Because this is a very unusual topic for me. I'm doing it for the first time. And something happened in my life that I'm doing it. Your thought about this topic? Share in the chat box. What do you think? Do you relate to this topic? Do you think this is a nice topic? You are excited to know more about this? Exactly. पर होता पता क्या है, हम बहुत कुछ सुनते हैं, एक कान से सुन के दूसरे कान से निकाल देते हैं, पर जब हम पर पड़ती है ना, तब हमें सब समझ आ जाता है. Only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches, right? And that is what happened with me. And I never knew that I will be sharing this, but I am here with you all of today, and I want you all to learn from my experience. Hello, Mrs. Midda.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Same here.
Right.
आवाज कम आ रही
So आज का जो टॉक है ना, जो आज का टॉक है ना, वो बड़ा पर्सनल सा है थोड़ा, right? Yes. And perfect. So please fill this form.
वॉइस बहुत कम हो गई है.
I think अभी ठीक हो जाएगी.
Your
Mrs.
voice is breaking, ma'am.
हो गया, ठीक हो गया.
Perfect, Ji. So we all can mute ourselves, and I will request all of you to unmute yourself in between. So let's see what we will be talking about. एक चीज जो यहाँ नहीं लिखी है is we will be talking about my experience with this disease. Please mute yourself. My request to all of you is please mute yourself for next few minutes in the interest of everybody. Yes, perfect. So we will understand what cortisol is. We have spoken about cortisol multiple times, but I think I also did know something about this, so I'm sure you will learn something new. We will understand what are the symptoms. We will talk about few cases. We will talk about what is the program I'm offering here today, and also how will you look after knowing what you will know today. Right? So first of all, congratulations that you have taken out the time to be with us today. Because this is your first step. For all those who don't know me, my name is Dr. Preeti Nanda Sibal. I'm mother to two boys, 25 and 23, and wife to a loving husband. I'm an MBBS from Amritsar Medical College, and I'm a fellowship holder in functional medicine from George Washington University, US. I've written 2 books, Cyclic Keto and 4-Hour Rapid Fat Loss Method. And my 3rd book is going to be out very soon, which is on what doctors should know about diabetes reversal. And I am your personal diabetes, obesity, and stress expert. So what happened? So most of us have lived this life of corporate times. जबकि से रात तक काम कर रहे होते हैं, बीच में हम सोच लेते हैं कि थोड़ा और एक्स्ट्रा काम कर लें. And that's what happened with me. So मेरे पास आज से 4 महीने पहले तक कोई भी अगर एंजाइटी का पेशेंट आता था या टायर्डनेस का पेशेंट आता था, तो I used to tell them go and exercise and eat well. Right? And I think most of you also have heard that advice. But what happened with me? मुझे एंजाइटी होने लगी, मैं बहुत टायर्ड फील करने लगी. मतलब ओपीडी से 2 बजे के बाद की कंसल्टेशन मुझे एक चैलेंज लगने लग गया. मुझे लगा नहीं, 2 बजे के बाद आई नीड रेस्ट, मैं शाम को लूंगी, बट आई कुडंट, यू नो. प्लीज कीप योरसेल्फ ऑन म्यूट, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज. तो मैं 2 बजे के करीब आई यूज्ड टू कम बैक होम. Suddenly this continued for few days, and you know, kids were not able to understand क्या हो रहा है, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था. And then I got all my blood tests done. And what happened? I found my cortisol levels were very, very low in the morning. And इसीलिए जो मैं पहले 6-7 बजे उठती थी, मैं 8-9 बजे भी अनफ्रेश उठने लग गई थी. मतलब I think in the beginning of lockdown, 8 a.m., 9 a.m. you could catch me sleeping also, which was very unusual with me. More importantly, हमारा एक हार्मोन होता है DRS. That came down from 200 last year to 46 this year. And why? Because मेरे कुछ एग्जाम्स थे इस साल, बीच में घर में कोई सिकनेस आ गई, my son was unwell, other things as always keep on happening. And I think मैंने रियलाइज ही नहीं किया कि मेरी बॉडी में कुछ चल रहा है. या आप ये कह सकते हो कि बीइंग एन एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर, मुझे बिलीव नहीं होता था कि एनल फटीग जैसी कोई चीज है. हाँ ठीक है, स्ट्रेस डिजीजेस करता है, बट दैट्स ऑल. अगर हम थोड़ा सा योगा करेंगे, थोड़ा प्राणायाम करेंगे, थोड़ा रिलैक्स करेंगे तो वील बी ऑल राइट. बट ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था. इनफैक्ट बहुत एंजाइटी होने लग गई थी. And then I started my treatment, and I am feeling so good now कि मुझे लगा, so पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार ये किसी को बताऊंगी तो लोग सोचेंगे डॉक्टर का भी ऐसा हाल हो रहा है. स्पेशली जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं, they would really not believe it कि डॉक्टर प्रीति को रेस्ट करने की जरूरत पड़ रही थी दिन में, right? क्योंकि you know, I am a very energetic person. I've always been an energetic person. But things move. This happened. And then when I treated myself, I realized that a lot of my friends also are going through this stage. And I think one of them will join today and share her experience. And अब जब मैं थोड़ा अच्छा फील करने लग गई, मेरे फ्रेंड्स थोड़ा अच्छा फील करने लग गए, मुझे समझ आ गया कि इसमें हम क्या हेल्प कर सकते हैं. तो despite my own inhibitions that why should I be sharing this story with all of you, why should I bring out in open, I thought I have to talk about it. And talk about it majorly because एलोपैथी मेडिसिन में हम इसको अभी तक मानते नहीं है कि ये कुछ है. पर मैं आपको बता रही हूं कि मेरा मतलब आई वर्कड ऑन माय शुगर, आई वर्कड ऑन माय वेट, पर ना वो सिर्फ माइंड में थी चीजें कि यार करना है क्योंकि पेपर में कुछ खराब दे. बट दिस वाज बैड. मतलब सडनली ना आपका ब्रेन बिल्कुल फॉगिंग में चला जाएगा. आप केस हिस्ट्री एनालाइज कर रहे होगे एंड आपका दिमाग काम नहीं करेगा. आप टेस्ट लिख रहे होगे एंड सडनली आपको बीच में लगेगा please mute yourself, please mute yourself, please mute yourself or log out, please don't be on unmute. This is very serious topic. I do not want any disturbance, please. Somebody is still unmuted. Vibhuti, can you please make sure that nobody is unmuted? Serious and we all need to understand this because मुझे ये पता है कि हर कोई हम में से इस फेज से जा रहा है. So please. So what happens? एक हार्मोन होता है कॉर्टिसोल. हम सबको एड्रेनलिन तो पता है, but we all also know that there is a hormone cortisol which is released in our body whenever we are under stress. So cortisol basically, if I have to explain you, अगर आप thirsty हो, बाहर से आए हो, तो आते ही आपको अगर एक ग्लास पानी मिलता है तो आपकी प्यास नहीं बुझती है, राइट? सिमिलरली व्हेन वी आर इन स्ट्रेस, हमारे सेल्स को जितनी एनर्जी चाहिए होती है वो पूरी नहीं हो पाती है जब तक कॉर्टिसोल आकर वो एनर्जी बढ़ाता नहीं है. सो कॉर्टिसोल इज अ फैट स्टोरिंग हार्मोन. कॉर्टिसोल इज अ हार्मोन जो हमें भूख लगवाता है. आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ पीपल, ऑलमोस्ट 70% ऑफ अस बिहेव लाइक दिस कि अगर हम स्ट्रेस में होते हैं तो हमें भूख लगती है, हमारे सामने जो भी होता है हम खा जाते हैं. वो कौन करवा रहा होता है? हार्मोन कॉल्ड कॉर्टिसोल. Right? So now what happens? What does this cortisol do other than this? जब हमारी बॉडी में कॉर्टिसोल बढ़ जाता है तो हमारी सेंसिटिविटी टू पेन कम हो जाती है, हार्ट डिजीज के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं, ब्लड शुगर बढ़ जाता है, हमारा गट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम बहुत ही ज्यादा इरिटेबल हो जाता है, हमें बहुत जल्दी कॉन्स्टिपेशन एंड डायरिया के एपिसोड्स होते रहते हैं, हमें ब्लोटिंग होने लगती है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, अराउंड द वेस्ट, स्पेशली अगर लोअर पार्ट आपका निकला हुआ है, बिलो अम्बलाइकस, इट इज जनरली कॉर्टिसोल इफेक्ट. एंड अगर अपर निकला हुआ है तो इट इज थायराइड इफेक्ट, राइट? हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को इट सप्रेसेस बिग टाइम. इट लीड्स टू हाई ब्लड प्रेशर एंड इट इफेक्ट्स टेंशन. सो होता क्या है कॉर्टिसोल? क्या हमारी बॉडी में हमेशा एक ही लेवल पे रहता है वो? नो. हमारी बॉडी में कॉर्टिसोल, जैसे ये मैंने आपको ग्राफ में दिखाया, ऐसे चलता है. तो जो ग्रीन लाइन है वो नॉर्मल है, रेड इज हाई एंड नीचे वाला रेड इज लो. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज, इन द बिगिनिंग जब हम ज्यादा स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं तो हमारा कॉर्टिसोल बढ़ता है, राइट? तो जैसे सुबह हमारा सबसे ज्यादा होता है कॉर्टिसोल एंड 12 o'clock के बाद वो गिरता गिरता शाम को 4 बजे के बाद बिल्कुल लो होने लग जाता है. दैट इज द रीजन वी आर एबल टू स्लीप इन द इवनिंग. जिन पेशेंट्स में शाम का कॉर्टिसोल हाई होता है उनके स्लीप इश्यूज रहते हैं. नाउ शुरू में व्हाट हैपेंस, जब हम स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं हमारा कॉर्टिसोल as अगर गाड़ी स्पीड पे चलानी है, so what do? We put our foot on the accelerator, right? थोड़ी देर के लिए गाड़ी भागती है उससे. सिमिलरली अगर हम स्ट्रेस में होते हैं, हमने बहुत काम ले लिया अपने टेबल पे, फिजिकल, इमोशनल, ऑल ऑफ दैट, so what happens is हमारी बॉडी भागती है because of cortisol and we are able to do all of that. For example, मैं बड़ी प्राउडली अभी तक बोलती थी कि यार मैंने 16 घंटे भी काम किया और मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती थी. I used to catch a flight in the morning at 6, come back home at 12 at night and still I used to be fresh. I had an American boss at time who used to say, Preeti, even if you are half as tired as I am, you will be very tired. Right? So imagine, but never मैं कुछ अपनी रिसोर्सेज को इतना यूज करती जा रही हूं कि एक स्टेज आएगी जब मैं नॉर्मल काम करने में भी मुझे दिक्कत होने लगेगी. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, जब हम गाड़ी को बहुत देर तक एक्सीलेटर दबाई रखते हैं तो व्हाट हैपेंस, समथिंग ब्रेक्स एंड द कार कम्स टू अ हॉल्ट, राइट? हीटिंग अप शुरू हो जाती है एंड सडनली द कार स्टॉप्स. सेम वे आवर बॉडी, शुरू में वो कॉर्टिसोल को बढ़ा के हमें सपोर्ट करती है कि चलो इसको कुछ काम करना है, लेट मी हेल्प हिम और हर टू फिनिश हिज वर्क और हर वर्क. बट जब हम उसको फॉर ग्रांटेड लेने लगते हैं तो वो रिजर्व खत्म हो जाता है. एंड जब वो रिजर्व खत्म हो जाता है तो हम कुछ भी नहीं कर पाते हैं एंड बॉडी में लो कॉर्टिसोल हो जाता है. अब हाई कॉर्टिसोल तो ना हमने मेडिटेशन में लोग इसके बारे में बात करते हैं, बट लो कॉर्टिसोल की बात हम नहीं करते हैं या बहुत कम करते हैं. एंड दैट इज एक्सेप्शनली इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारे लोग आजकल मिल रहे हैं जो लो कॉर्टिसोल के हैं. Another thing what happens is cortisol impacts our growth hormone and it also impacts our sex hormones. In girls with PCOS, in men with erectile dysfunction, cortisol is a big culprit. Weight gain, bone and muscle mass, and bone health kharab hona, cardiac effects, they are secondary. But growth hormones, so to the extent that you can have, less height, you can have compromised functioning of your body because of growth hormone. And I want to share a very interesting study which I read in the last 3-4 months when I was treating myself. There was this child जिसकी height नहीं बढ़ रही थी, and so dwarfism था, and the parents took him to a hospital in US. And there this boy found a nurse with whom he built a very nice relationship. And his growth hormone levels came back to normal. And then what happened? The nurse had to go on a leave. And the child's growth hormone levels again dipped. And the nurse came back and his growth hormones levels again became normal. So what I'm trying to tell you is, if you feel loved, if you feel secure, hormone, you will be able to manage cortisol, and your cortisol will also stay in balance, right? So all the symptoms, our lifestyle today is impacting us in more ways than we can ever think. So there is the book called Adrenal Fatigue, the 21st Century Stress Syndrome, published in 2002. Phenomenal book. I really like it. So what does it show? When you are in adrenal fatigue, you actually you smoke, you drink more, you take caffeinated products, you eat carbohydrates, you eat biscuits and chocolates. All of that is a sign that something is going wrong. If you feel lack of energy, can you see this picture? I really like it. And a lot of us can relate to it, at least I can now. Everything looks like a coat. You have to go out in the evening for a walk, you feel tired. You shouldn't feel tired. Actually, our human body is made in a way that you get up in the morning until the time you sleep, you should be working, with energy, with alertness. But because our hormones go for a toss, we'll end up in problems. This is adrenal fatigue, when you have to drag yourself to your office in the morning and I get a lot of people these days who say, सुबह उठ के 2-3 कप चाय या कॉफी के चाहिए होते हैं मैम फ्रेश फील करने से पहले. Check your stress hormone levels. Now this is becoming very common and I face this. मेरा सबसे बड़ा symptom any news which I thought was not a good news, I had to work a bit extra, right? I used to feel very stressed. I used to feel extremely stressed because I had no cortisol, no DIA in my body. That's the reason my growth hormone had gone low, my IGF-1 had gone low, my proteins had gone low, and I think all this was interconnected. So extremely important, if you are not able to handle stress. अगर आपने पिछले कुछ महीनों या साल में ये बोला है कि यार 5 साल पहले ऐसी सिचुएशन में मुझे palpitations या तकलीफ नहीं होती थी इतनी, मेरे moods इतने ऊपर नीचे नहीं होते थे, and अब होने लगे हैं, means something has shifted and we need to do this. Now what is it that we can do? There are which are available now. We do blood cortisol at 4 times. We do DIS. We do salivary cortisol also because blood and salivary cortisol levels become different. And there is a questionnaire which I can share with you if you ask us to share, which is adrenal fatigue questionnaire. And if your score is more than 45, then we need to act on it. Right? And now this is another very, very interesting thing, a book I read, which I would recommend all of you to read, but I will share something from this book with you. Why zebras don't get ulcers, right? So there was a study here. So very interestingly, you know, we human beings have a very different psychological makeup. And that is the reason we differently than others. Right? And there was this study done which showed that there are mice in two groups. In the first group, the mice was never told that what stressor will come. And in the second group, the mice knew in advance, 10 minutes before the stressor was thrown on them, that what stressor will come. Yeah? In the first group, the mice had cardiac disease, had diabetes, became obese, had anxiety episodes, and any symptom you can think of. But in the second group, the mice did not have any symptom. So what was the difference? The difference was that if we are prepared for that stress, our reaction can be different and our body does not get impacted. Now, did a similar experiment in a different way. So what did they do? They brought this, these two group of mice. The first group was in a closed room. The second group had something kept on the side of the room where if the mice would go, he would chew it, right? So in the first group, the mice had all the diseases, but in the second group, mice had no disease at all. Right? What did this prove? This proved that if you have a hobby, because the second group, yeah, the mice had that hobby, he could go chew it, bite on it and come back. He was able to take stress better than otherwise. But a lot of us have lost our hobbies, you know. Yeah. So, are you ready to climb the ladder to transform your Please give me a yes in the chat box. If you are ready, please give me a yes in the chat box. Wow. So, hormones can be corrected, that is what I think. But in allopathy, I would have said no, especially stress hormones. What do you think now? So what do you think now? Right? We can actually, I've done that. How much of tiredness and fatigue is stress? Give me in the chat box, please, of tiredness and fatigue you think is stress. I am not able to do it. What will you do differently? Sorry, this we will take up later. I have no time to do anything for myself. How many of you think this is true for you? I think we all will have time if we know what to do, right? I think I can't get better. I'm always fatigued. No, everyone can improve. Yeah? So, I have Gurrit with us. Gurrit, I will request you to unmute yourself. Gurrit? Gurrit?
Hi.
Vibhuti, can we unmute Gurrit? Hi.
Yeah, now
I'm good. So, yeah. So I have Gurit with me, and I actually told her, requested her to come and share her journey because, the more people talk about it, the more people will work on it. So, Gurit, I request you to please share your journey.
Hi, everyone. So, I work in a hospital at a senior enough position. So you can imagine when I was not feeling well, or rather feeling unwell and not up to my own regular self. Many doctors, a battery of doctors ran a battery of tests, unimaginable number of tests. They almost admitted me twice. I had drips put on me, but nobody could understand what was going wrong with me. This started during the pandemic. As the pandemic started, there was a lot of stress in the environment. And then, as soon as the flights opened up, I ran back to Delhi, met Preeti, and I told her, I said, this is what is going on. Now, Preeti and me go back a couple years, where she had earlier once helped me out with a problem of uric acid, where it would not come down, and I had refused to eat medicines. So she knew my history. And I remembered, Preeti telling me time and again through that, as we kept in touch, that Gurit, you're stressing yourself out. And I would always tell her, I said, no, not at all. I'm not stressed. I'm doing fine. I'm doing well. Well, now this once when I went back and I had I just told her, I said, I'm just not myself. And, I exercise an hour and a half every day. And despite that, I am putting on weight rather than losing weight. Now, Preeti was shocked to see me because when Preeti had seen me last over a year ago, I was at 66 kgs. And the woman who sat in front of her now, just about over a year later, was like over 80 kgs. So Preeti was like, what happened? So I just started talking to her. And then as I spoke to her, I found myself babbling rather than, a coherent speech come out. And then Preeti said, Gurit, quiet. She asked me a couple of questions. You're having palpitations, your blood pressure is going up and down, a couple of parameters like that. And you're unable to breathe. There is breathlessness over and over again. There's pain in the feet, continuous pain in the feet, unable to wake up in the morning. So, I was like, yes, you got it. And she just, said, she says, Gurit, I remember the last time we met, I had told you that, I had measured your cortisols were going up. I want you to go and get some tests done. When the cortisol and DHEA came, they were like rock bottom. And then she explained to me that before they dip, the cortisols and DHEA actually go up, they skyrocket, and then they kind of come down, right, Preeti?
Yes.
And that's exactly what had happened. She could foresee the situation well before, it hit me. And, and that's when, I went back to her. And guess what? All the doctors felt that you are stressed, but they could not help me at all with my situation, where I wouldn't feel myself. I would be drained out. I could walk. I couldn't sit. I was just very tired, listless, and just simply putting on weight. And guess what? I wasn't even eating. So, and then started my journey with Preeti. In about 8 weeks now, I am ready, fit and fine to kind of take on the world again. So I think it's important to understand stress levels, especially for someone who works in healthcare. I wish there was a way, where like we measure other tests, there was a way of measuring stress, but unfortunately there isn't. However, most of the problems that we all face are because of the stress that we endure, unnecessary unnecessary pressures that we take on, and the inability to control our minds to go in the wrong direction. So I think it's it's very, very important to understand. And guess what, had when my medical team would have looked at me, it would have been when I would have gone into an adrenal crash. And, I can tell you, having run hospitals, the way a wellness expert looks at stress and your reports is different from what a doctor in the curative field inside the hospitals look at, because patients who come into the hospitals are basically, they need big time help. But people like us who are not ill, but yet not being ourselves, I think that is the time to sit up and to visit a wellness expert and start understanding what is going wrong with us. And most of the time, it is the hormones that kind of take us on. So thanks, Preeti.
Thank you, Gurit. Gurit, I just want 1 more minute from you.
Yeah.
Can you just share how was your mental decision-making ability being impacted?
Oh, yes. So, we all work with to-do lists, and, in a corporate job, there are more of them. I started feeling very insecure because of the fact that if someone gave me, like if I have 2 things on my list, if the third and the fourth team came up, thing came up, I just wasn't able to deal with it. I would go into a shock. I would either, start crying or want to run away from the situation, which was very, it was a double whammy for me, because I couldn't understand, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? Why am I behaving like this? And, obviously you're very, very, you're very, very uncomfortable being in the job that one is, to see that, what are people going to think about me?
And
So
most
it's an
importantly,
insecurity, and yeah.
And most importantly, because I have also experienced that, is जब mind support नहीं करता है काम में ना, तो you actually feel lost. It is much worse than eating a medicine of diabetes or hypertension, because suddenly you feel everything is crashing. Right?
Yes.
Thank you, Gurit. Thank you. And thanks for switching on the camera. I think I got a message saying no video. So I requested you to switch on the camera. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Take care. Take care.
I'm going to share the screen again. Yeah. So we have this questionnaire for you, friends. Do fill this questionnaire and find out how many symptoms you have. If in this questionnaire your symptoms are more than 5, please get yourself checked. Vibhuti, can we put this questionnaire in the chat box? And if the score is more than 5, we should take help. Yeah? So, guys, do you want to motivate others with your transformation? Please give me in the chat box. Do you want to motivate others with your transformation? Yes. So very important thing which Gurit brought up, and somehow, unfortunately, allopathy still doesn't acknowledge this. Allopathy doesn't believe in testing, cortisol 4 times a day to know what is the problem. And as Gurit brought out, and I also shared, was that allopathy works, when we have reached that age where nothing more can happen. How many of you think you have more potential, but for some reason you are not able to play at your full potential? Right, Shweta? Apeksha, yes, a lot of us feel. I felt it in the last 4 months. I cannot tell you. I was not able to explain it to my family, to my husband. They used to say, don't stress, don't work too much. But that was not that. Some knowledge in today's masterclass. Will you want to apply it in your life? Just being aware about your stress hormone levels. Will you want to apply it? Yes. Honestly, tell me whether you found this knowledge unique and new. Thank you. Have you got value in today's masterclass? So all of you have got value in today's masterclass. We are sharing a link in the chat. I will give you 1 minute and request you to please share your feedback here. Two books I had spoken about, The Adrenal Fatigue and Why Zebra Don't Get Ulcers. Please take 1 minute and share your feedback. It helps me improve, it helps me learn, and it motivates me if you guys say that yes, something new at least came up in front of you when it is about health. So perfect. Now let's talk about you. Yes, Priyanka. Do you have any of these symptoms? Stress and brain fog? Anxiety and depression? Mood swings? Always tired? Weight gain around the middle area? Relationship issues, extremely important, friends. So let me talk about another patient of mine. Morning cortisol 9.26, feels less on energy, less on moods, and I am sure moment we will spend 3 to 4 months increasing the cortisol. See, cortisol is like, so we had wells in the olden days, right? अगर well खत्म हो जाता है तो उसको भरना कितना मुश्किल होगा ना. We have to dig it deeper to get water, and that takes time. Yes. Similarly, when cortisol becomes less, it takes time to come up. It takes time to come up, but it improves significantly. So if you have any of these symptoms, what are your coping strategies? In addition, I want to offer you a 14-day program to balance your hormones. And why I want to do that is because, you know, I believe in testing and then acting. And for that, if you have any of these symptoms, I would love to work with you. And 14 days is enough to put you on the right track. Right? And in this, get 3 minutes framework from me, which I've used very successfully with my clients and patients for stress-free life. We will work on your sleep hygiene, laughter yoga. We will monitor you. We will share motivational tips with you. We will also work on your limiting beliefs so that you can unlimit yourself. It is about your response to the situation, and that depends on the belief system you have. So we will help you understand that, and most importantly, we will help you balance your cortisol. If it is low, we will increase it. If it is high, we will help you bring it down, and you will see that most of the things which you find stressful today, you would find they are just a cakewalk. One more thing, and you will live your life full. So do you want this in your life? Do you want this transformation in your life? If yes, please give me a yes in the chat box. Yes, Mr. Rajesh, we check cortisol levels first and then later. 2 tests are there, blood as well as salivary. And in this program, we will let you know from where to get them done and also read them, because getting tests them done and keeping them is no sense. We have to act on it. So what will you get in these 14 days? You will get 6 online 30-minute meetings with me. You will get 1 online or offline free consultation, which is worth 4,000 rupees. You will get a lifestyle revamp calendar. You will get 1 online complimentary test, which will help you find out how much sympathetic and parasympathetic drive you have, which means you will know कि आपकी बॉडी कितना स्ट्रेस महसूस कर रही है आपके जीने के तरीके से, right? And you will get a 14-day diet plan to balance your cortisol. You will get 14 days to work on your hormonal imbalance, stress-free routine, and support groups. So you can work on it on your own. We will share the questionnaire with you if you want. You can assess yourself, or you can join this 14-day program and work it with me in the group. So what is it that you will want? Which choice will you want to take, 1 or 2? Okay, we will share the questionnaire immediately after this. Right, so I have a very, very interesting offer for you. This program I offer for 45,000 rupees, but today I am offering it at a special price of 15,000. How many of you are ready? Please give me in the chat box if you want to join this program. Because I have even a more special deal for you. Which is how much? 8,100. If you join the program now, during the webinar, it's for 8,100. If you join it later, but for this group, it is 15,000. And if you come 1-to-1, it is 45,000. So the webinar price is 8,100. And if you want to join it, this is the payment link, which is shared with you in the chat box. You can pay on this link and join this program. Now, when does this program start? This program starts from 9th of September for 14 days. Right? So we will get enough time to get your test done if you want to, and also to prepare yourself to be a part of this program. Let me share with you a very recent patient who came to me. PCOS girl, just 17 years, right? On 22nd, we got her test done. And she's feeling depressed. She's not able to take any stress. If somebody tells her even something like, you're not smiling today. And she'll like, huh? And she will start crying and she will not be able to handle it. And look at this. Her morning cortisol, which should be 17, 18, is 9.5. Her evening cortisol is just 3. Her DIA is 120 and we want around 250, at least 220 plus. 17 years, if we don't find out why she's not able to take stress, if we think it is just, adolescent age, this is just her age playing with her. Imagine what will happen 10 years down the lane. The source of energy, cortisol is one thing, जो ज़्यादा भी खराब है और कम भी खराब है, because इसके बिना we cannot live life. It is essential for us to live life, right? And I see this with many cases, and Gurit just shared her example also. This girl is going to look like this and feel like this instead of this in a matter of few days. She will be able to achieve whatever she wants to in her life. She will lose belly fat. and she will stay active and happy because her hormones will be supporting her and she will stay stress free. Why? Situations will not change, yeah? But what will happen? You will change. You will change, so you will be able to manage that situation. Yeah? Very important is, you know, if a bodybuilder comes to you and says, come, let's have that, you will not do the body. So you have to do, you will first have to build your body so that you are as strong as the other person to win the game. Similarly, for the situations in your life, you will have to be as active and you will have to have all resources inside you which will help you become strong so that you can take on everything in a stride. Yeah? And thank you very much. And I am open for questions. I've stopped the share screen. You can ask me questions, whatever you want. Cortisol is the stress hormone, Poonam, in the body. Right? Any questions if you have for me and anybody who is on the verge thinking whether they should do this or not. Please ask questions. This is a one-time offer you get, and I promise this would be the best gift you would be able to give to yourself. Hi, Monica. Anybody who wants to ask any questions, we have 3 minutes. You can ask. Shweta, cortisol test has to be done 4 times a day, 8 a.m., 12 p.m., 4 p.m., and 8 p.m. Yes, Dr. Atul.
Yes, role of the keto diet.
So when you are in adrenal fatigue, keto is a complete no, Dr. Atul. Right?
Okay.
So, yeah, because that's a big thing. I'll share with you. I have this patient who was with me on a 6-month program and she improved dramatically. So after 6 months, she came for her follow-up. And I asked her, what are you doing? She said, I've gone back on keto and I'm feeling very bad. I said, okay, let's get your test done. So
There is a risk of developing ketoacidosis also.
Actually not. That is a very late stage, Dr. Atul. But what happens on keto diet is, your body comes into more stress. Already you don't have cortisol. आपकी बॉडी जवाब दे चुकी है, बोली हाँ मैं तो मर के गिर गई हूँ, ये मेरा कोई ध्यान नहीं रख रहा, मेरी बैंड बजाई हुई है. ठीक है? उस टाइम पे आप बॉडी को बोलो यार तुम नया स्किल सीखो फैट बर्निंग का. That becomes a challenge. So if you have thyroid, if you have low cortisol and low DIA, keto is a complete no. So keto is wonderful for insulin resistance, for cancer patients, for obesity.
Yeah.
But if you have thyroid, if you have adrenal fatigue, complete no. So Dr. Atul, the book I've written, Cyclic Keto, in this I've explained beautifully, you know, how you should cycle keto diets.
Good.
And then understand from your body whether you're feeling good or not. Very good. But very good question, Dr. Atul. Thanks for asking this.
Okay.
A lot of people keep doing keto and they are in adrenal fatigue and they go from bad to worse.
Really good informative sessions, madam.
Thank you, Dr. Atul. Do share if you want to hear on any other topic also. We can talk on that.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, I will keep in touch.
Yes. Any other questions, please?
No, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Anybody else who wants to ask a question? Yes, your daughter can go through it, Shirley. I'm seeing a lot of young people going through adrenal fatigue. And I promise you, कोई भी और अभी की डेट में ना ये नहीं कर रहा है. Because we think कि high cortisol ही होगा ना, कम कैसे होगा? और अभी मैंने आपको 17 इयर्स की लड़की की रिपोर्ट दिखाई लास्ट वीक की. So it is worth getting ourselves tested. The younger we are, the more important it is to get it tested. But I think moods पे कभी compromise नहीं करना चाहिए. Rajesh ji, this program will require gratitude, exercise, breathing to be set right. Depending on the blood test, some herbs to be taken, no medicines. I do not prescribe any medicines now, though I am an allopathic doctor, because I believe now in helping people stop their medicines. Right? But a must attend. If any of the symptoms you have, you must just jump on this program, because you don't know how good you can feel. Padmavati, cortisol, you can get it tested from any lab. For salivary test, do write to me. There is only one lab in India. I will help you get your test done. Definitely, Anita, mood swings are hormonal balance. And अगर किसी को भी एंजाइटी होती है डिप्रेशन के साथ या लो मूड, प्लीज अपना लो कॉर्टिसोल चेक कर लो. एज आई टोल्ड यू, लो कॉर्टिसोल बढ़ाने में टाइम लगता है. मिसेस मिद्दा,
हाँ जी, मैं अभी कर लिया. मैं बीच में थोड़ा सा काम
कोई बात नहीं,
चली गई.
कोई बात नहीं. जो गुररीत ने, आपने पता नहीं गुररीत का एक्सपीरियंस सुना है कि नहीं सुना?
सुना है, मैंने पूरा नहीं सुना पर काफी सुना.
तो 2 महीने में आपके बिना ऐसे ही होने वाला है.
नहीं हो, अभी मेरे को अभी बहुत फर्क है. अभी बहुत एनर्जी लेवल्स तो टचवुड बहुत हाई है. नींद आती नहीं अब तो. अब तो पूरा दिन एनर्जेटिक रहती हूँ.
थैंक यू. और पलक की हेल्प कर रहे हैं उसको ग्रो करने में. वेरी गुड.
बिल्कुल.
थैंक यू. बट सिमिलर केस जो मिस्टर मिद्दा का है ना, वो गुररीत का हो गया था.
हाँ जी, हो जाएगा उनका भी.
2 months. 2 months. हाँ, बिकॉज लो कॉर्टिसोल को हमेशा टाइम लग जाता है मिसेस मिद्दा.
हाँ जी. बाकी मेरी तो हर प्रॉब्लम में ही बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट है. जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए मैं आपके पास आई थी, तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट है मेरी तो.
थैंक यू. मिसेस मिद्दा, आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे अपने थायराइड एंटीबॉडीज को लेकर?
थायराइड भी पहले से बहुत बेटर है. एंटीबॉडीज भी रिपोर्ट्स बताती हैं कि पहले से बहुत इम्प्रूव्ड है. और बाकी वेट तो मेरा बढ़ाना चाहती हूँ, उल्टा बढ़ नहीं रहा. ऐसी डाइट मतलब वेट तो मेरा इतना ज्यादा मैनेजेबल हो गया कि अब तो
बिल्कुल परफेक्ट वेट पर हो आप.
चाह के भी नहीं बढ़ रहा, मतलब इतना खा के भी नहीं बढ़ रहा.
वेरी गुड. नो, बट यू आर एट गुड वेट. यू आर एट गुड वेट.
एनर्जी लेवल्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. मूड पहले से बहुत बेटर है.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू. ये जो आपने लास्ट बोला है ना मिसेस मिद्दा, वो बड़ा जरूरी है. एंड मुझे पहले पता ही नहीं था कि मूड खराब होते कैसे हैं, क्योंकि मैं तो खाती रहती थी. बट ये एड्रिनल फटीग ने मेरी जो बैंड बजाई है, ओ हो. आई विश किसी को ना हो, बट माई रिपोर्ट्स शो कि यार बहुत लोगों को हो रहा है. तो प्लीज, इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन दिस प्रोग्राम, डू इट. मिसेस मिद्दा कैन टेल यू, माई कंसल्टेशन इज 4,000 rupees, and my programs, they give you value, but you know they are charged. So this group program is very money, saver program. If you want, do jump on and join this program.
Okay.
Thank you, Mrs. Midda.
हाँ जी. Okay जी.
Bye. Thanks everybody. Anybody else who wants to join? I've got 6 registrations till now on InstaMojo. If anybody else wants to join for the next 1 hour, the link will stay active. Do discuss and hop on. Right? Thank you.
Okay ji. Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.